Reminder, not everything you read about buying a home is true. Take, for instance, these 3 home buying myths. Myth number 1, buying is always better than renting. The truth is not sometimes renting is sometimes the best. Like when you don't know where you'll be in several years and you don't have the cushion, you want to be in your budget to cover things like home repairs, or you don't care much about customizing a space to your taste, or you want to live in a new city and you need to try the city. So, number 2, a 30-year mortgage is always the way to go. As interest rates rise, homeowners are looking outside the 30-year mortgage box. With rates almost a full percentage point lower than traditional loan options. That's a big one. Adjustable rate mortgages are getting lots of looks. The takeaway: buyers need to meet with a reputable lender, a trust that can help you early in the process so you can explore the options. Number 3, you should wait to buy until home prices or interest rates are low. No doubt, prices and interest rates are up, but waiting is not the answer. There's no guarantee prices will come down, and in the meantime, you need a place to live. If you don't find a home you love and can afford, you should go for it. You will start building equity immediately, and you can always refinance if the rates drop. If you want to keep talking about buying in 2023, just let me know. I can set you up with an amazing lender and we can discuss all the options that we have right now.